Hey everyone, Technomatch here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send your location on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to send your location, first thing you need to do is go into your settings and then go to privacy and security and ensure that location services right here is turned on if it's not already turned on. Now, once that's turned on, for messages, we're going to want to ensure that it's either while using the app or ask next time or share, or when I share, you're going to turn these to either of these option and precise location. Now if it's on never, you won't be able to do that. After you have done that, now you can go ahead and send our location. Generally, when you send your location on iPhone, it's going to be through your messages app. The other person does have to have iOS device as well, so they can see your location. So here, as you can see here, I'm going to select a contact that I'm going to send my location. I'll click and then I'll click on top of their name, and from there on I'll click on share my location, and then it'll give the option to share for 1 hour, until end of the day, or indefinitely. And then I'll just select one of the options. It'll generate it. You can hit, and that will go ahead and send your location to them as a text where they can click on it and then get directions to it if you like, or see where you're at the map as well. So that's how you share location or send location on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.